the red dot of freshness. A couple years ago, I had a video, and I've gone completely brain dead. I can't remember what it was even called, but we had a winter storm, tried to get Ginger out in the snow, and around the other side, it went and spun the tire off of the rim, and I had to put the spare on. But as you can see, this one has not only a red dot but a yellow dot. They're dot approved as well. Brand new tires for Ginger. These are the Yokohama, which is upside down over there, Avid Ascend GTs. These are really, really nice tires. It's what I run on all the cars now, except for the Buick. That's another story entirely. But yeah, brand new tires, tons and tons of tread. They're really nice. They're touring tires, so very quiet ride. I gotta wash Ginger and clean the rims and clean all the sealing paste, is that what they call it, that they went around with, but I just got them put on like really about a week ago or so. I had an interesting thing happen. I had the spare on, everything was doing all right, and then one day, just out of nowhere, the steering wheel kind of just went lump, 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 and I didn't see any tires missing, any weights or anything that I really could notice. So I had to get tires. I mean, I had to get them 2 years ago, but some things came up. Financially, it's not that I didn't have the money. I had the money all along. It's just that other expenses came up that were more important at the moment. So I took care of those and finally had some spare cash. So got the new tires on Ginger. Also had them replace the valve stems. Look how nice and flexible those are now, which is great because the old ones were all dry rotted. And if you had a tire chuck on there, one that like grips on with a little handle thing that goes like that, you could turn the entire valve stem within the rim itself. So you could imagine they weren't holding air too well as it was, and every couple of weeks I'd have to fill all the tires up on here. They were well shot because, you know, as an old lady, how much do you really drive in that? But anyway, they're all replaced, all nice and done, and Ginger rides like an absolute dream. This is the closest I'll ever have with its 36,000 miles on it. It has now, after 2.5 years, I guess it is, I think. This is the closest I'll ever have to a new car. Absolutely. But yeah, it's nice to relive that. I think Old Clanky I got with 26,000 miles, so that was maybe even a little bit newer in terms of that. But like I said, yeah, never, ever, ever gonna buy a new car. And especially these days, it's just out of the question. But anyway, just wanted to give you that quick update. Really happy that's done finally, and that the valve stems are replaced, and everything's great. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.